Go. Go. Hey, it's Dennis Westhower, and I'm going to be telling you about Rhode Island that Billy Mays had found. I'm here with Dick Roberts, and here's his presentation.
Hi, Billy Mays here with a special TV offer. You tired of being Christian? Well then, move to Rhode Island. That's right, Rhode Island. Land of the free. Get a close-up on that land of the free right there. Yeah. That's nice, kid.
Look at that.
Anyway, you tired of being a Christian? You can be Jewish, Muslim, any religion that you want to. Yes, you can be a clown religion. That's right, clown religion.
Really?
Yes, really. Come to Rhode Island. Come to Rhode Island, land of the free.
This is filmed in front of a live audience.
I'm be on TV, yo.
See how excited they are? See how excited they are to move to Rhode Island? Call 1-800-555-5555. That's right, that's 1-800-555-5555. Just 12 easy payments of $52.99.
Unbelievable right here.
$52.99.
Look at this, Dennis. Aren't you going to go?
So move to Rhode Island today.
I'm going. Cut.